Welcome YouTube channel. Cooper's Automotive 2006 Toyota Camry LE came in. The ABS, brake light, battery lights all on. When you see that, it is an alternator that's back. So we're going to change the alternator on it and shoot a video how to. So follow me. Alright, so first thing, this is the part right here, is a Denso. That's our part number. There's a 210. 210-0549. Using a Denso on this one. And the alternator sits right up front here. It's right here. Should be relatively easy to do. It's hot here in Florida today, so you are going to hear background noise. Battery's disconnected. You got to take your positive battery cable off of the alternator. That looks like about a 12 millimeter. Guess again, we'll go with a 10. My eye's getting that bad, I guess. Alright, so your positive cable's out. Regulator plug clipped in and unplugged. There's a 10 right on the top there. So we'll take that out. Then right on this side is a little plastic clip right here. You'll take that out and just pull it out of there. We're going to take that piece off and put it on our new alternator, our reman. We've got to get the belt off. Now down inside here, 19 millimeter. Stick it out on the belt tensioner right here. Those belt tensioners are extremely strong. So you're going to push down on it and get it out of there however you can. Alright, so kind of leave your belt in place if at all possible. Let's move it back some. Now you got a 14. And again, I broke that loose with a regular ratchet already. Just kind of prep this job a little bit. And that's your long bolt. Now, you should be able to wiggle this alternator out of here. Turn it a little bit, getting out from underneath your wiring harness, and there it is. We're going to take this little bracket off right here and put it back onto our rebuild. It's like a Phillips screwdriver would do it because it felt like it was already loose. It is. So I'm going to set that right there. I just realized that this one already had the bracket on it. So in this case, I didn't need to take it off. Slide this alternator back down in and start connecting everything. I nose it down on the closer to the oil stick. Flip it over. And voila. Long bolt first, right there, and our 12 underneath. Get everything started by hand. will hit that with a regular ratchet, make sure it's tight. 12 underneath. I know you can't really see this that well. I'm just doing it by feel. All right, now I'm going to go back and make sure they're tight. Got our 14 here, regular ratchet. Those little quarter ratchets aren't very strong, but nice to have them. All right, that's tight. That other one down there. Like I say, I can't see it, but I know where it's at. And that's tight. Now, pull this off to the side. Let's get our belt back on, because that's probably going to be the hardest part. And we'll grab a hold of it. Trying to make sure that it's on all of our pulleys still. Keeping tension on it. Just trying to slide off of one back there. Yep, it did. Okay, hang on. Gotta get it back on our power steering. There we go. Okay, you got your water pump right here. It's got to get around that. Remember, auto mechanics teaches you a lot of patience and a few other words I can't say on camera. If you don't have it on all the pulleys, it will let you know, because you're not going to get this belt on. That's how snug it is. Very tight quarters. We'll ignore that phone. Almost. All right, we got everything. Checking our pulleys, we're routed in. That's good. Now let's get all of our little brackets and things on here. So you got your regulator plug, power wire, and I did drop my alternator nut. I think I see it right here. Use a quarter ratchet on that. Over tighten it, you're going to ruin your alternator. Just tight like that. Now we'll just get the one bracket clamp, put this wire right back here and start it up. We'll make sure it's charging, which I'm sure it is. We'll show you that after I put the battery back together, and we'll pick back up from there.